good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And here we are looking at some spark plugs. Now, these spark plugs have not been cleaned since last annual, 238.0 hours ago. And as you can see, these are the poster childs for why we want a 37 BY in a low compression engine, the 0235, because it just builds up some carbon. This one, if it wasn't a BY37, wouldn't be firing at all. So we're going to clean them all up and look at them and see what kind of shape they're in. They may have to be replaced, but that's the first thing we're finding on this airplane. It's in rough shape, and we're going to be documenting what we find as we move along, so stay tuned. And here we are looking at the air filter. Now, there's a reason why you saw in the spark plugs were pretty bad, and that's because Lycoming recommends every 25 hours with an oil change, those plugs are taken out, cleaned, and gap is checked. Looking at the air filter, well, this one's going to require a new air filter, but here it is in all of its shining glory, and it's pretty well clogged. I think he'll be happy with the performance of his engine once we get the spark plugs clean and just the air filters clean. So anyway, stand by. So here's the new air filter, and it looks much better than the old one, so he should get a good year out of this. Stand by. So as you can see, the front strut has been taken out. It was roll locked completely down, primed and painted, as was the fairing, as were the main fairings and a few other pieces on the airplane. You'll notice there's no prop on the aircraft. The prop is down at the prop shop. They say no news is good news, so we don't hear anything. They're going to overhaul it. They'll call us if there's a problem. The windshield is held in mainly by screws all the way around the bow and all the way around the coaming, which is unusual because usually it's glued into place with AC-251. But we've gone through a lot on this airplane, and this should finish it all up for you. It's much cleaner in the engine compartment. The outside's looking pretty good. The master cylinders have been rebuilt. The prop is off for overhaul. The front strut's been out, and the brake lines are being addressed. So this airplane should be in much better shape than when it came in the other day. So stand by. We hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel, and have a good day flying your Grumman.